I'm Dr. Inge with a Y, acupuncture physician, how and why I put together the basic kit. The basic kit is called the Allergy Kit. We all are allergic or sensitive to the basic ingredients in this kit. Even if people think they are only allergic to dogs or cats, they are allergic to these basic substances. Frequencies of milk, dairy. I should start with egg and chicken, and then it comes with milk and dairy, vitamin C, and parasites. Why did I put it together in this way? Well, we came from an egg, so even when vegans come and say, well, it has chicken and egg, I don't like that. Well, that's the reason. We came from an egg. When we are born, we get milk. And when we start to eat, when babies start to eat, they get vitamin C. And we are warm-blooded animals, and we all have parasites. It sounds a little yucky, but it's true. The next vial contains vitamin B and sugar. Vitamin B, you know, is very important for your nerves and for a lot of functions in the body. And sugar is in everything, even in breast milk. Nowadays, sugar is added to practically all foods. And when people eat simple carbs like wheat and pasta and these things, these carbs turn into sugars pretty fast. The sugar in your body produces candida. And that's why we have such cravings. Some people say that it's an addiction, and it's an addiction that's harder to quit than even heroin addiction. So we crave the sugar and we feed the candida, the overgrowth of fungus in our intestines. Not good. This candida causes allergies, one of the things. It can cause depression. It can cause vaginitis or urinary tract infection, a lot of things. And by treating with vial number 2, you may have to do it more than once, maybe several times. Once it has, so to say, stuck, your sugar cravings will be almost gone, and it will be much easier to quit your sugar habits. Vial number 3 contains toxins, normal toxins, heavy metals, exhaust system, herbicides and pesticides. And we are around that all the time. We breathe, so we inhale toxins. Babies today are born with at least 200 toxins in their umbilical cord. That's what they get from their mothers. So just think of it. That's a lot. Vial number 4 is for vaccines. Most people have had vaccines, and that is a frequency or frequencies that stay in the body until you die. The most impressive reactions are really in kids on the spectrum. They are different after they have been treated with a vaccine vial. Vial number 5 is sugar again and candida, because of the importance of treating for sugar. You have to quit eating sugar or you end up overweight and with diabetes. Number 6 contains grains. It also contains corn, because many people eat corn. It's not a grain, but it's included. Many people are gluten intolerant. I don't think as many people are gluten intolerant as they are toxin intolerant, because they crave wheat, and wheat is sprayed with glyphosate, Roundup, a couple of days before it is harvested. And that is so that the leaves will fall off. The farmers don't want to take care of the leaves. But the kernels absorb the toxins, and we eat them. So not only is wheat very toxic, it is also normally by itself hard to digest. And it used to be just, I forgot what that's called, but it didn't used to be GMO, but it is probably nowadays. So people who have celiac, they of course have to stay away from gluten, even if they get treated for the allergies to it. They have to be very careful. Vial number 7 is a combination of vials 1 through 6, and then it is added all the organs, and endocrines. And it is always good to treat. It's like treating the whole kit again with one vial. It's not bad to treat the whole kit again, but if you want to do a shortcut, you can use vial number 7. What this basic kit contains. That's it in kit number 1.